Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get a Teamviewer season codes in 2025 step by step. This code allows someone to connect to your computer securely for remote support or collaboration. So first, make sure you have Teamviewer installed on your computer or mobile device. If not, download it from teamviewer.com and install it. Once installed, open the apps. Here I have opened my TeamViewer apps. Then you can either log in to your TeamViewer account or counting without an account if you only need a quick season. And login is recommended if you plan to use it often. So look at the season codes. On the main dashboard, you will see an options like start seasons or get supported. So click on the TeamViewer will generate the season code automatically. Here you can see this create a seasons. So this code is temporary and change every time you start a new season. Here you can see on my screens the season link or code. Once you have the season code, copy it or note it down, share it with the person who you want to connect with, for example via email, chat or phone. They will enter this code on their site to start the remote seasons. You can send invite into user emails, and when they connect you will receive a permission request. Click allow to start the season. After the work it is done, simply click end season to close the connection. This ensures your privacy and security, and that's it. That's how you get a TeamViewer season code in 2025 easily. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.